Uya kegimo mwanchu umurigari bw'Ensoko TV nibono chekire chinsa isana bire bono mugaso stariki niko mina ya momo tinyo komina ya momo mwaka bw'ikiri ubere 2025 na nemonongo kwarigania semesa ya maye ilitukomanyia liagendete gokorekana kurwa ase chinsemo una abaliki baitu banyareko bako yasanya nako yaikigaiga ilitugosamu toko yae nako nyarako bato kumanyi ase nchire bwikiri no gutubwati asensemo ya mtandao sensemo ya Facebook gutubwati bune Ensoko TV na andi boygogenda sensemo ya YouTube utubwati oro na gusubscribe asenchira yobwikira no monchi muligereri na nigo bonongo kwarigani lietaliane ni Innocent Onyango. Yamate yamo kurwa ekenyoro kia lianchiaku ebunge ya bumachoge burabu ime county ya Kisii yasabira bokonyi eliokomwe ni umwana obo aselieta Brian Moses uyu muberoye otangira senkendu yaramu kubwatekana no komentekana kwe bili ya nyagitali ayu asebono iga ya ikirego etani chisiringi chiribu chiminye 55.
Nintoni mbwata bokong oro yo mwana babuna chakete kurwara rarwarire ngaki entambe paka na irwe transfer chinyagitali angesato bona akolire tokwenda Metfort nakagete ngobo kimabwa ni mokonyere Metfort lakini bwasinyire bona nararete endokere igoro ne piri nari ko sababu konya semori
kini yabeire gasienko nigo yabeire gasienko ngwase ngencho twoncho kana ndi chinyagitali bere isato kokonyo bogimabwa mwana Brian twatemire asitoko nyara lakini bono goikabuna togukwana iga epiri ere nyagitali igere igoro mono
ngeye monyero jona mwikire iga mwarore na asenke mwarore bakongu bororo na hende buna bano goikira jinga kibune chiga period nyagitaria igere nene yeri bumia ine 55 na hende sitiri gabuna na hende ntogendrete na hende akerare mojeri na hende bidi negendrete kura komenta umwana yakora tu barese ni marakabere chibasa chikagera chikamenta umwana yabekere tu moika
akena tsirenko basaba bakonye mokonye nyarako bakinkurisi umwana ni mojeri
banyabiasara bandi bonse pota inde yonse gaki basoyo koba kumubuko batokonye umusigo oyo endugo yane yanyorire igoro monene na ndi gotoro obuomu obone naso enkeye gaki
kwanira abachumbe baito aba MCA baito nonyanga abana baito no mugumenelebu tonya toto yo minto mwamba mu MCA obatia barongo ase bakoigwirio kibuneri ariko moko igwa kera tora kogani moje motokonye na intu toruserio mwana wa nyagitari
tobo konyi jana rwanero muchukuru yone chinjira chonspi bakonyurire bono nta gitobo konyi asaba mintu mwenspi abagambi na abande bajumbe motokonye tumurushi moje lisepirire
musubati yo maselieta malitakirubo oyo kurwe kenyoro kya nyangoli miye wadi ya nyamaiye county ya Nyamira onyoriro bokonyi wo kwagachirwe nyumba kurwa asumurwa neliwe kirugo kyo MCA Selieta Richard Munyancha musubati oyo nigakagere gotamwana umusachoye oyo mutigera abana batano nomo nabo igoni gasabiro bokonyi bwendagera elia nyarkoba gakwegenderali
tangoroku umongino yo Joshua Matunda no muone abana mbwatensita Marta Kerubo Joshua abana stabale nyete asokwerigerie ibarua mugakera tayo mugakora chirangi emyaka 3 ninche ngorigeria abana keregento nyomba nere na benga na mninga na igo no tamenyete na abana abo oyo matigirite form 1 oyo ndembona ari grade 9 oyo kabere no oyo ndene 7 yale na omoke mono na 5 bali baonsi babira umumura ni nyaruka
umusubati oyo nona abana esukuru bagosomera bokongo umugako yekara tokorigereri buno twagachete kuri mabyata iyo na maene kinyore kine ora achira matuka atari make okorire gwetani omwaka emyaka 3 bana achira atayo gaiga musubati onere gwe koraiga na bana enyomba bwagacheirwe neregenderete kwagachirwa umurayo chira igo muya yokorokwa Richard Munyanja umubekeire nyomba twararire ngambi ya mono nyomba mwaya gwe karato korigereri litoro chenga none getandanke korange timbo iyo ndagera te abana bakori yako no goyeta imigondo gukora chikondo kurigie ndagera oroche kara konyora 150 street tukogende ngeyo kogora geisa ina abana baranyana
asamarete ngro Christine nje no murugyo Munyancha pono mne yakoba mno mungina being a mother and a wife, kera na ushipche chie nyumba yega na bona ishante sana. So name krere effort twaria mabati twaretira toshegeka kana so nyumba gabu rangana marika kurwa maisana. Because ya bwata abana na nabato mwana gabu oino mushando on still. So first of all they need kwanza civic education na no nyumba yake baramba bwati. So na mabera. So tware kuungana twensipi we all well wishers tubwata negaki no ni Santa Towels mbabwati actually it's really hard. No saba abraivonsipi from anywhere from any corner taringa nyamira yoka patokonye tubwaterane at least mushe yokoreki oshigoro no eno bore mbokortiki mboyo
Richard Monyanja tore nyang'ori mbonye wa metore nyang'ori naende moma etenenga kie campaign tore nanje kinarenge gweta se campaign kaikanga nyore situation ya erasaya ngatabanga egotogote nikiregento mpaka tore na umongino yo onyore nyumba sakobera kiagera ntomyoka stoko munyagochia onye toko nyore shida ya ase naende ndoko lige solution lende mbugambikyo botoko lige onye ntobwati chief ndime chandelea ndo witwa wate nakikia ngusire na ate balero njene timu ya ne twenspie togo jaga kolumambia amoroje nyumba ntogende abande ngoma bara mabati ngobe kwale igoro pai mambia tonyoro nyore nyumba sawa correct asakorara
abalimi kurwa chinsemo ao chiagusi nigo baumiranite na kuru chinsemo chisiko chiagusi nigo baumiranite imeye ya makaire ward ya Bugichore county ya Nyamira somuga mugondo manyakantenga nitek ase okoegeligwa igoro yechinchira cyogokora obulimi bwekerero na kwenyorera obwaita gwetera obulimi egati yabo basangete nigeta nige nsoko nigo bagokerete amaigelia yo na kubulia abasaya gwesokia na kwegelia obulimi obu asenchira yo chumuligali
aiga togutumie kokopit i kali mara waita kawaida ne kokopit karangwa ni karangwa tangi to na pomba ndimo ne bolingi to tali gutumie ra ira beli yetu yakawa ya kawaida togutumie kokopit na ndo ndena bali kai bolingi inki ekokopit ngendo tayo so ekokopit ne ntomaite ekokonat ntomaite chikokonat so chi west chi chikokonat mostly bona chobonyora abantu ende kumanyona bwa squeeze of technology bachiete bagasia karabasi bakalirozira kabalira bakatokalira bali umusongo sibakali
acha igase invitation kurwa soyo mintonik oyo min oyo ta ebimelia ao ebitoko nyara gusimeka ase igorero na egokire muno ase ngenjo kumirana na abamanyiawa munabono abarosia mariogo ya mugondo babere bagotworokereria ng'ana kia mariogo abo arabe gagotokonya na ndenjera kitobwende ko yatumia igase ngenjenseme yena mang'ana ya munabangire abeira mang'ana maya na ende mono chisemi chinga munechi nabona ari gosaba ng'a chinyare koroberigwo buyane serikali yaito egere abalemi chiaikera abalemi abange munabono bali twacha rero iga negeirero na kichi pambu ao chiachire chigosiara mariogo na mariogo ao chisa chinda atari gotoka ase chiagro fedicheito lakini bona karo twaika iga twanyorire ng'a abarosia mariogo ao bacha iga batubundisire mono igoro ya mariogo turabe togutumia mugondo na ndanyare gotokonya ase oboremi boriboro smart farming sincerely munabona iga nkeye twaja ne yo musae na no musae bwe miaka emeke sana litangani tigamwakire mbuya mona ase ng'encho yokobikisambekia ase ng'encho yoboremi onare gosaba ng'a abasaya bange bare korigereria emeremo emenene niki akorire aiga igera abang'use mono egento keboreta abasaya baito bataransa gosoa ase amang'ana aya yoboremi na eria ng'a ekero bakorigeria oboremi bakorora oboremi muna igobore oboremi igobore obokong'u botabwati faida lakini enchera niki bobangire igabo bangire enchera engiya ekorekana oboremi obobwate faida enene
anje no omoremi ase kwende ya Nictech eri mbuya mono kwende yakonyira amatuko amange chinyeni no tokorikora nyanya Nictech ya imbru gasi ebate igobo amwe ye kiagere tore tabana se employment in the community etokonyete
Giaka kora agotobeka ase seedling nande twanyora chibesa twakonyera abana baitu ekiagera okorira maya nona abana baitekara bagase nane gotokonyibesa twaire ere gosie na wagotoiro totainga beka ekemerie ekemeke ase yani gireti nando nyara gototaimu na togokora twanyarire gokora yatokonyeire abana baitu kurusiko nande bagendereje school nango mwagera ngo mwana uri ominto gendere biya otokoreira amaya ambe goto support no torama
murwaniriria bwekyo cyoburayi bwenze mwaka bw'ikiri 2025 bero Muske David Kenani Maraga tebire tago cia gukwanye nibo y'abakenya onyaga konyora libaga lyokora ense ya Kenya.
We have seen what is going on. We have seen corruption in this country. If we keep quiet, it's like we are endorsing it. If we do nothing, it's like endorsing it and let people suffer. We have seen very sick people who can't get health care. We have seen, I mean, our young people not in school when they are supposed to be in school. The teachers should not be striking for government to pay them. The government has an obligation to pay them. It's a question of planning. It's a question of stopping wastage. It's a question of stopping the looting of the public resources so that you direct the resources to where they are supposed to be. So that our children can be in school. Those of us, when we get sick, we go to hospital and we get medication and treatment from the leaders. I promise the Kenyan people that if you give me the opportunity, I will ensure that justice is done to the people of Kenya. I am not going to steal from the people of Kenya. I have not taken a bribe in my life. I can't take a bribe when I have retired. Trust me, I will take care of the resources for the
Ekiombe gyokunenkia embwa na kurwani obukurumi EACC kiaraire byombe ao byechinse cyorogongo rwa Afrika ya mocha aiga Nairobi elio koligerelia emeremo yabo yobonyabi boteneri bwe kiombe kyo kia EACC Abdi Ahmed Mohamud otebire mbagendrete kunenkia abakagerwa ao
of that particular support where we are now able to recruit approximately 100 more staff within these two months, investigators and lawyers who are able to deal with the evaluation report. So within this framework, the Commission has achieved notable progress in tackling money laundering, which include a increased number of investigations targeting laundering of proceeds of crime, particularly in the procurement and public asset division cases. Two is enhanced use of financial profiling, asset tracing, and rapid preservation of assets under the ASECA. Three is we have established a jurisprudence on forfeiture of proceeds of crime with money laundering components. This has occasioned recovery of high-value properties, motor vehicles, and significant cash in Kenya shillings and also in foreign currencies. Four is the strengthened collaboration with relevant actors and stakeholders within the criminal justice sector for enhanced financial investigations. In addition to the above legislative enactment, Kenya has recently enacted progressive legislation to close emerging gaps and strengthen efforts in the fight against money laundering and terrorism financing in Kenya, which include the Conflict of Interest Act 2025. This actually provides a robust framework for managing conflict of interest in the public service and empowers the EACC to recover undeclared and unexplained assets.
Barai bechikanisa inse kiombe kia NCCK kururu sagia rwa Cliff bagikeira abana siasa bagendete kurwa chinkwana chuko bagaba Kenya na korenta lioruru cha barai yabo basabira abakenya kobeko molembe na obolemereria chingaki chinsemo ao chigendete kwearigani kokora obochori oboke umutinyo.
Regrettably, politicians, aspirants have embarked on early campaigns for the 2027 general elections despite them being 2 years away. Worse still, these campaigns are riddled with hate speech, radicalization, and other forms of public incitement. We strongly condemn these individuals who are setting up the nation for violence and chaos. On their part, we call upon Kenyans to refuse to listen or follow anyone who provokes them against other people.
Urging, because when the measures are put in place, we need participation, we need involvement. We also need it to be able to be acceptable in the right mandate ya how the by-elections are being done. So tunaomba usawa, tunaomba inclusion. Alafu pia tunaomba tuweze kuzingatiwa sisi kama wamama, vijana pia na watoto wetu waweze kuwa ndani katika hii maswala.
Na Eliud Kipchoge muminyoki bw'echimbero cy'echi marathon osemiria basaye kwegera maigelio yekerero andonsi buna enchire yamo yoko igora ebisieli byamabaga yemiremo yoko egenderia munyangongo yo niga yakwana sege karo kya maigelio yekerero imeye University ya Moyo mucho monene o Eldoret.
Now let me speak to you directly, people in this room. This is your race, and how we will shape the future of our country. First, please master one digital skill, just one. It could be coding, design, or data, but choose something and get really good at it. In running, we repeat the same stride until it becomes natural, and the same applies to learning. You don't need to know everything, you need to master something. Secondly is solve the real problems. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Look around you. Maybe how we deal with it, waste or mobility. Innovation begins with the problems you can see. No big solution started small, with someone saying, let me fix this. Thirdly is track your progress. As athletes, we record every run. We look at best time and recovery. You should do the same with ideas. Know what works and what doesn't. Because what you measure, you can improve. And remember, your ideas are valuable. Protect them and hold them.
Kirabo mwanchu muligirali na ikiromo elio bwa maiya mugasobono ochetire chitage 14 mo maiga yichinsa isano bire chabono mubaso na nemo nongendrete gukwariga ogendre kubwatimeru ya kiralituko aiga sigeta kia ona mbe ya Mensoko TV nabwo tubwatia senseli mtandao na nagotebya nsemo ya Facebook tubwati Mensoko TV na namonekera kwa tubwatiri go to follow agenda sensemo ya YouTube subscribe na aro obo tubwatia asenchira bwikira nindoche oya warorekanire gaiga na ase chikorido nindigere tishma lingo charchinsa 10 kurwabu tumawe kumera na nere ongolia mareko elinere anyareko ba gagoterekie kenandanse yitaliane Innocent Onyango.